Yo guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. Today we are back again with another great and amazing tech video. Well, the video today is all about the Green Lion microphone, which is a 2-in-1 wireless microphone. This is such an amazing and great and amazing kind of microphone from Green Lion. Now, what's good about it? It has 20 meters of range and it has a noisy reduction, which we're gonna be checking it out. But for right now, let us just jump in on unboxing this kind of bad boy and see what's the goody about it. So guys, here is our microphone and we're gonna just unbox it right now and see what's packed inside. So as you can see guys, over here we are having the mic in here. I'm gonna keep it aside first, and secondly we are having the paperwork in here, which is really great, and we're gonna be checking it out because this kind of paperwork, it's really important to just understand the mic, how it functions, especially when it comes to the noise reduction. Having the cable in here, so this is I guess it's a USB type C. So let's check it out over here and explore what's packed in here. So guys, as you can see, this is the USB type C to USB A, which is really vibrant. Jumping out through the microphone, so this is how our microphone it is, which is really great, and as you can see, it looks really vibrant, and this is how our mics they are. So first thing first, you have just to remove this kind of sticker so as it can have a contact direct throughout the case, because without it, this kind of golden fingers, you can see there's a golden stuff which interacts directly throughout this kind of case. So you just have to keep it here and it will start charging. But for now, since the case does not have enough juice, we just have to charge it and have it throughout testing and explore throughout our microphone. So this is how it stays and this is how it looks. The kind of case, it looks really vibrant, to be honest. I kind of like that, and it gives it much better look. And down here it's having a USB type C. So this is how it looks, and it's really great throughout the Green Lion microphone. So right now we're going to just check out the specification, and so as we can test it too and explore throughout this kind of microphone. So guys, the specification of the Green Lion 2-in-1 wireless microphone, well, it lasts for 6 hours without the case, and it lasts for 30 hours with the case, which is really vibrant. It goes up to 20 meters throughout distance of the microphone, which is quite impressive. It has a noise reduction, which is really good, and on top of that, through this kind of wireless microphone, it offers you a really nice and crispy sound throughout it, which is really great. So guys, this is the level 1 of mic testing of noise reduction. So this kind of microphone from Green Lion offers you a noise reduction. Just by tapping on the first level, it will just adjust on 1 beep. But tapping on the second one, it will just do 2 times. Now this is the second level of noise reduction, because it has 3 levels of noise reduction. And when you're done with the second level, if you're finding it's okay, you can tap again another level. So this round, the microphone will flash for 3 times, indicating you're in another last level of noise reduction. As you can hear my voice, how much right now is picking up. There's a little bit of surround out here, not that much, but there's a little bit of surround of sound. But overall, it's just picking up amazing. Now, another kind of level which is so great, which I was finding it's a little bit differently, is pressing it for 3 times, like 1, 2, 3. Now the microphone will just go into an echo kind of state, whereby when you talk you can hear me, I'm like echoing and stuff like that, which it's really quite not bad. For the people who like something like that, the mic offers you that kind of mode. On top of that, you can just go back to your normal mode by pressing only 3 times. 1, 2, and 3, and the microphone will just offer you a nice back mode, whereby it will just go to the normal mode state. The microphone offers you 20 meters of distance range. This will be my first range, and I'll go back again up to somewhere here. And as you can see me, I'm somewhere a little bit far. It's almost like 5 meters up to there, 5 meters, 4 meters. And it's really quite not bad on picking. And right now, something which is good, outside there's too much noisy. So I'm going back again up to here. Here on this range, it's almost like 10 meters. And I'll just go back again at this range. And it's almost, here it's almost like 15 meters away from the camera it is. and I'll try to go all the way up to here, which it's gonna be um, the range. It's almost 20 meters up to here. So the microphone is actually picking quite not bad, as you can hear, and it's really, really great. So for 20 meters, sometimes you might be shooting a little bit far away, like the prank videos if you would like. So it's quite amazing. So it's just you guys how much range you'd like throughout the camera, and no, throughout the microphone, sorry. It depends with you what type of range distance you like to record yourself throughout the camera, the transmitter, and the receiver side. So yeah, it's really, really great. And this is the microphone from Green Lion. I kind of like it, and it's really dope. So yeah. So guys, jumping out throughout conclusion on this kind of Green Lion microphone, well, it has 6 hours of juice, which is really impressive, and it has 30 hours throughout the case, which is really dope. It gives you a 20 meters of distance, and even it has noise reduction, which is so amazing throughout this kind of bad boy. My honest thought about this kind of microphone from Green Lion: should you buy it? To be honest, yes, you can buy it, and it's really budget. It's friendly pricing. It's quite no big pricing which can break your bank account. Nah, it's just a budget one which can offer you a really nice and incredible sound from Green Lion. So this is just my kind of conclusion throughout this kind of mic. So for the rating of 10 to 0, I'm going to give this kind of bad boy rating of 10 out of 10 throughout portability of the microphone and the budget wise of the microphone and on the go on the microphone. It's really, really amazing, and it's just really cool because usually so many times I would like a microphone which is portable and I can just put throughout my kind of video shooting and all of that, which is just on the go, which is quite impressive. So it's really, really amazing, and catch you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.